Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at DELL. It was a request from one of the subscribers to actually do an update on this chart. And I want to remind you all that anyone can make these requests, and I will most likely cover the stocks, especially if there is an actionable trade setup to be tracked and had. Now on this chart we actually had quite a lot of red today, and we have been tracking this from even before as a 1-2-1-2 setup, and we were considering the idea that we are starting this third wave to the upside. Now we do have an alternative scenario where this wave 2 has not actually bottomed yet, and we could see a reset in the yellow interpretation, the yellow scenario, where this wave C could complete and basically reset our wave 2 in white, where then this entire movement would have instead been a wave B. But until we actually break below the 78.6% retracement for the wave 2 that we will track now, we are still expecting to push higher, and that is the most probable interpretation. And until we actually break the larger support zone here in white that goes down to $47.5, we will continue to track a bullish interpretation where we are looking to form a third wave to the upside to complete this pattern that started as a 1-2. Now, it is possible that this movement to the upside is not actually entirely complete. The structure, the subdivision of this movement is a little bit vague. It's not clear what type of pattern it actually is, but I think it's pretty safe to say that it is a 5-wave move, and I still can see the possibility that this actually hasn't yet completed and that this was maybe a wave 4. Very easy to interpret and see different scenarios here, but the idea is we could still see continuation to the upside here after such an ABC correction in a wave 4. But regardless, we aren't going to focus on that, especially because of how unclear this movement is, the structure of this movement. So we are going to focus on the area for a wave 2 support zone that is between the 38.2% retracement at $106 down to the 78.6% retracement at $78. And yeah, if we actually reset this wave 1 top, we can readjust, no problem, and still track for a 1-2 setup in this case. And yeah, we did, and we do still have the risk of the yellow interpretation here in the shorter time frame, where we didn't actually push and break the resistance level in yellow at the 78.6% retracement at $145 level. We didn't even actually reach it, and if we did, I also expect we would have had quite substantial resistance, especially from this level and then this one. But until we actually break it, we are open to both interpretations, and until we actually break the support zone here, we are focusing on the long side. And that is about it for now. There isn't much to add at this point. I don't want to get into the short time frame here. I am going to say one last thing about the short time frame. In fact, I just favor at least another low in this movement to the downside, because either way this could be an ABC, and then we would have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So expect a little bit of continuation in this area, if not more, because the movement, the pattern doesn't actually look entirely complete to the downside here. Then it is more likely that we may get a reset, but overall these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.